We're here to show you the steps to update your Aveneer. Start by turning on the clock. If your machine is engaged in the screensaver, just touch your screen. Your clock is positioned down here at the bottom. Just touch the icon of the clock. It comes up and shows you your clock display, and then here's your choices: AM, PM, leave it on 24-hour, and we'll set it for the time of day. So we'll make this what year, and we're in January right now. And you set it for what time it is. And you say OK. Now if you want it to show the display, you need to touch this one so that it will show you at the bottom, and it will show you what you set it at. And you touch OK. Your clock is set in the 24-hour mode. Now for updating, turn the machine off. Get your prepared USB. Now in the instruction that you were sent, the instructions are there for how to prepare your USB. You've reformatted it, which means if it's not an empty or new USB, you've saved all your information from it, formatted it, downloaded the update to the USB, and now we'll enter the USB or insert the USB into the USB port on the side of the machine. So with the machine turned off, take your formatted USB with the download installed and insert it into the USB drive. Now you're going to depress the needle threader button. So you're going to push it in and you're going to hold it in. It's going to be a while. So now keep it depressed, hold it in, and while you're holding it in, turn the machine on. Now the machine's turning on. You can tell by the hourglass on your screen, but you keep the needle threader button. So you have the machine information here, but keep the needle threader button. Don't let go yet. Keep pushing that button in. Keep it in until the machine initializes, and you'll know that happens when the lights turn on. So keep it pushed in. It's going to seem like a long time, but that's okay. Make sure you're comfortable. Keep it pushed in. Just wait. Hang on, because the machine is thinking through all its processes to make sure it can do its job. Okay, now when it has the message USB drive, that's when you can let go of the button. So now when you see the USB drive on your screen, you touch the USB drive icon. And now it says press load. So now you touch load. It says after connecting, but don't worry about that. You already have it in there. So leave it in and touch load. And now it's reading the USB drive. It says saving the update. Okay, now this is going to take a while. So don't drive yourself crazy sitting here watching the screen. Yes, this will progress across, but if you sit here and watch it, you'll drive yourself crazy. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. Go get your mail. Say hi to your neighbor, something. Go away. Just let it take its time and update the machine. You can see after just these couple minutes, it's still only at 5%. So you know what I mean. It's going to take a while. It's a large file. Just be patient. Okay, you can see we've been a few minutes already and we're only a little over halfway. So like I said, it's going to take a while, and this is normal. Don't panic. Don't worry. This is the normal way the update takes place. So this is why I said go away. Don't drive yourself crazy that it's taking a long time. This is the normal state. It'll reach 100%, but still leave it. Don't touch yet, because you will get a new message. There you go. Now it says, update complete. Turn off and on the machine. That means exactly that. We're going to turn the machine off. Remove the USB. And now, in order for that update to install, you have to turn the machine back on. Turn the machine back on. No holding buttons or anything, just turn it back on. You have 4 white circles in the bottom left-hand corner. That's a very good sign. The hourglass comes up. And then you'll have the message, and it tells you, I'm waiting so I can read it and not paraphrase. Do not turn off the machine even if the screen goes dark. Now, remember that. Don't turn off the machine even if the screen goes dark. Now, I'm going to promise you the screen will probably go dark. And it will go dark for longer than you hope or want. So once again, don't drive yourself crazy. Walk away. Go have another cup of coffee or something. What happens is that now the install is happening. So just let the machine do its thing. Don't touch it. Don't push buttons. Don't turn it off. Just let it process the update. And when it's all done and set, the machine will initialize and the screensaver will come on. So just be patient and just let it work through. See, the screen goes dark. Don't doubt yourself. You've done everything correct. Don't touch anything. Don't touch the buttons. Don't touch the screen. Don't turn the machine off. Just leave it. Sit on your hands if you must. Let the machine do its work. There, your lights came on. Another very good sign. And there you go. Your screensaver's there. You're all set. Now you can touch your machine. So you touch it. Screen wakes up, it gives you your message. If you have your voice guidance on, your voice guidance tells you the carriage is going to move. You touch OK. And now one way to know for sure that the update has actually been installed, is we will go to the settings page. So you touch the settings icon at the top. We can scroll through your pages at the bottom. Whoops, I passed it up. Go to page 7. It says version 1.03. That means the install of the update has taken place. And when this has taken place, you can now go to embroidery, and your icon here of My Design Center will now engage and open up, and you have My Design Center tools and features to work with. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your machine to 1.03.